Hey everyone, it's now time for Reshma's Beauty Tip of the Week. Winter is definitely upon us, especially in some parts of the country. We have heaters going on high, the weather is all over dry, so guess what? Our skin gets dry and of course our hair gets dry, coarse, and even frizzy. Our grandmothers knew what they were doing. Which Indian family doesn't know the benefits of oiling their hair? I loved it as a kid when my mom would oil my hair and massage it, and that's why I came up with 3 different types of oils, especially solution-based oils, combating each issue differently. If you have excessively dry hair and skin, it's the blue cap oil. It's got almond oil, it's got various types of oils that will help with your dryness, but not overly oily, so it's easy and it absorbs in your skin and hair just the right amount. And then if you have thinning hair and skin, and yes, as we get older, we do get thinning skin as well, you probably would want to try this cap, the white one. And for normal hair and skin, it's the green cap. So make sure you're doing a lot of moisturizing and hydrating by putting oils in your hair, on your scalp, massaging it in, because that's what stimulates your hair follicles and you'll get more healthy looking hair. And of course, your skin will be soft and moist and won't have so many wrinkles. So after shampooing and conditioning, I put a little bit of oil serum all over before I blow dry my hair, and then I style it. So every day I also put a little bit of hair serum on the ends, especially of my hair, so it's nice, soft, shiny, and moist. So that's my little trick. All my oils and the hair serum has henna in it. Why? Because henna also helps stimulate hair growth. It adds volume and gives your hair lustrous shine. And this is non-color depositing, so don't worry, there won't be any color change. In fact, it's just the protein of the henna that binds the keratin to your hair. So these are my tips for dry hair and skin through the winter months. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you like this video, make sure you comment right here and do subscribe to our channel by hitting that bell icon so you can make sure you get notifications each time.